65 degrees. Let's see if we're going to get some accumulation today or not. Previous years, we've had a lot of snow this time of year. Only a few years we don't get snow this late. Let's see what's going on at the top of the pass. Okay, so we drove out of that 10-mile canyon, Copper Mountain snow. There's some snow over by Breckenridge also. I think this storm is coming out of the south. Let's get up to the top. All right, we are at the summit here of Vail Pass. It's dry for the moment. I would anticipate that some snow is going to move in. How heavy or how long, I'm not sure. I haven't looked at the hourly forecast. Definitely watch the weather and cotrip.org to see if the highway's open if you're coming up here today. I-70 West Vail Pass. Let's head down into Vail. The snow plows. No snow up there yet, guys. Alright, well that's Vail Pass for today. It is 15:54 as I come down to the bottom of the pass, westbound 70. Not really snowing up there. It was snowing back in 10 Mile Canyon at Copper Mountain and over in Breckenridge. It hadn't hit Frisco yet. Definitely not here in Vail yet, but it looks like it's going to start. So definitely watch the weather, cotrip.org, surface conditions,